up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in this video, I have my July Diva Bag by Sonya. So listen, guys, this is my third bag for the new bag that she's created, and I am loving it. It is hands down worth every penny of the $25 a month that I pay, plus shipping. I think it comes out to about $30 for me, including the shipping and handling. I definitely think it is worth every last dime that I'm spending on it. I am super excited to see what I got this month. So without further ado, let's jump into my July bag. Okay guys, so this is a box this time, and as always I want to show you the awesome little thing she put on the front of the box here. It says, "To the classy Amber Meeks." I just love how she does that. I think Sonya is so awesome. I really do. So if you guys are not getting this box bag, whatever you want to call it, I'll have a link to her website in my description box below. And as I said in some of my previous videos, if you guys don't like the kinds of things that I'm getting in my particular box, she does try to customize this towards your likes and has you fill out a questionnaire. So if you fill out her questionnaire, she should send you things, hopefully, I'm assuming that's why she has the questionnaire, should be able to send you things that are catered more towards your likes. All right, so let me just open this up and see what's inside. Woo! We have a shirt right on top, you guys. This is a peek at what I'm looking at. Looks like it says something really fun. It says, "Amber, the outside is open again, and this kit will help you stay travel ready." Awesome. Okay. Oh, it says, "Pray without ceasing." Okay, so she has this little card in here, and then she wrote on the back of it her little note to me, which I really love. So I'm going to set that aside, and let's see what this says. Woo. Okay. Woo. I love it. It says, "Did you know there's 2 places you can stay for free? In your lane and out my business." I'm just saying. I should wear this on like all of my videos, you guys. I'm serious. Yeah, this is definitely hitting home for me because, you know, I just hate it when people feel the need to leave something nasty on one of your videos. As I'm looking at other people's videos and just looking at all the nasty comments, I'm like, why do people feel the need to do that? If you don't like the video, if you don't like me, just move on. You don't have to be nasty. I'm just saying. Okay, let's move on. It's my 2 cents. What is this? Beauty book. Eye and face. Ooh, we got 25 shadows, a highlighter, a blush, and a bronzer. What? Again, I already got a shirt and this awesome palette. So I'm just saying this is only $25 a month plus shipping and handling. So hands down worth it, you guys. Let's pop this open and see what we got. Okay, there is no mirror, which I'm totally fine with. Oh, it's like taped down. I was going to try to show it, but I don't want to like mess it up. So it explains what everything is. And here's what the palette looks like. I'm sure you guys can probably see that without glare. I was just concerned about you guys getting glare. But that is really awesome. I'm definitely digging those colors. They very much remind me of fall kind of colors. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a lot of fall videos coming up very soon, guys. I'm going to start my fall crafts. I'm going to take you guys along for the ride. If it's too soon for you guys, you can always just come on back when you're ready. Just saying. All right, now we have, she does sell Mary Kay. This is a foundation primer. Okay, that's awesome. I definitely use primer all the time. I definitely need it. There's no question about that. So I'm just going to pop this open really quick. I'm running low on my primer. Ooh, it looks nice and shiny. Look at that, you guys. Okay, definitely excited to give this a try. I have to say the Mary Kay products that she sent me so far in these boxes have been really awesome. Like to the point where I'm like, should I tell Sonya, hey, listen, can I buy this and this and you just put it in my next one? I'm just saying. They're pretty good products, definitely. Oh, I love that she put this in a baggie just in case it leaked. Let's see what this is. Another Mary Kay product, and it is After Sun Replenishing Gel. So what does that mean, after sun? Oh, sorry. This ultralight cool blue gel contains soothing botanical extracts, absorbs quickly, gently massage gel into skin over entire body. Okay, so I guess this is just to help with the sun, kind of like a sunscreen, right? I just wasn't sure what it was because, you know, I don't venture outside much at all, really. Honestly, I really don't. So yeah, but that's fine. I'm definitely glad I have that because if I don't use it for myself, I'll definitely use it for my son. I love that she puts in some little fun candies. This time it is a lollipop, which is always nice. What is this? Well, I'm curious that, not this, but something else. What is this? Live Fearlessly. So this must be a perfume. You guys know how me and perfumes get along. So here it is. It's just a clear bottle, so I really don't think you guys are going to see anything as far as that goes. I'm going to give it a smell. I'm going to be brave, you guys. Okay. I'm definitely not getting a lot. Dare I spray it? Should I spray it on my finger? Okay, it's not that strong, so it's not bad, but I will most likely pass this off to my mom or somebody. It's definitely not bad. It's not very strong or anything like that. It smells quite nice. I'm not like gagging. Sonya would never do that to me. I know she wouldn't. So this is cool. That's fine. Is it a Mary Kay? I don't know. It just says Live Fearlessly, so that might be the brand. I'm not really sure. Ooh, fun! These are earrings. Stop it! She's been sending me some of the funnest earrings like ever. This is why I'm gonna love this subscription, because I definitely like outside the box crazy things. But like I just explained to you guys, if you don't like what you're seeing in mine, you definitely can get more toned down, normal kind of stuff. That's just not my style. Oh my gosh, I love them. Stop it. Oh, stop it. Look, you guys. It says Diva, and it's got lips with a lipstick. I can't. That is incredibly fun. I love them. How fun would these be to wear on the channel? I'm just saying. I think these would be super fun to wear. So I'm loving those. Oh, these ones are pretty too. She can be like 2 earrings every single time. My earring collection is going to be out of this world. I'm just saying. I don't think I'm ever going to need to buy earrings again, as long as Sonya continues to send me a couple pairs a month. I'm just saying. These are super pretty too, you guys. Let me put them back in the thing here. Oh, these are really pretty. I'm loving this. I am loving this. They're so fun. They're bold. They're big. They are totally me. I am loving this. Guys, these are actually made out of wood. How cool is that? That is so super fun. I see a piece of hair. Don't you hate it when you see a piece of hair, but you don't know where it's coming from and you can't like get rid of it? That's what I'm experiencing right now. Okay, so that is awesome. All right, I'm super excited. Yay! All right, what is this? Oh, that is fun. It is a bag tag. It says, excuse me, not your bag. That is so fun. I love it. That is definitely going to stick out and be easy for you to find. And of course, you can put all of your information on there so that you can have your bags. That's awesome. I got 2 of those, and I have another little sucker in here, which is awesome. And then, oh, it's a passport cover. Oh, this one is fancy smancy. Look at that. I'm loving it. So it's so funny that she sends this to me now. I think she has like a sixth sense. I say this all the time because I literally just sent in the forms to renew my passport. How funny is that? So now I got a new passport book cover. Awesome. All right, guys, I am loving this subscription. Sonya never disappoints. She never disappointed me with her previous bag, and she has not disappointed me at all with this bag. I think it is incredibly awesome. Again, this one is $25 a month, and then plus shipping and handling. Okay, so I have a link to her website in the description box below if you'd be interested in getting this awesome bag. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! New Diva Bag by Sonya. So this is my 3rd bag of what? I'm not really sure how I was going to word that, but I know it wasn't going in the right direction. Try again. Okay, guys. So this is this is a box. Try it again. So the things that you're seeing in my bag or box or whatever you want to call it aren't the kinds of things that you would like. Then if you fill out her questionnaire, then you can get something that's more. Why can't I talk? I'm so irritated. Okay.